This is Melinda's P3 bicycle. We got it a long time ago in Florida, and it's a single speed jump bike, but it can be used for, road bike and trail bike and so forth. It's really very strongly made and an excellent bike. We really love it. I've set it up for Melinda with a little bit of rise in the handlebars and a softer seat. But up here in the mountains, it really needed a transmission. So I went and bought a Shimano 8-speed hub to put in it. After several days of working on it and finding all the right parts and pieces, this is it. You can actually not barely tell that it isn't the single speed hub, it's a 8-speed hub. And it works just great. It's just perfect for up here. I put a small chain wheel up front so that the low gear is very low and easy to ride up a hill, but with 8 speeds, top gear is more than adequate for speed up here. And it worked out just fine. The gear shift lever is a little strange because low gear is number 8. Top gear is number 1. But it really works well. I've been using a fat tire bike every day, practically every day, to take Nelson for his morning walk. And now I've been thinking about getting a P4, which is slightly larger, and doing the same thing. These are really well-made, very good-looking bikes. Thanks for watching.